Another one-pot RV meal, easy. Leftover potatoes, sliced. About half of a leftover onion. Some bokchoy that's been around for a while. And several of those little red peppers, the sweet ones that you pick up in the bag. Polish kielbasa. Salt and pepper. Preheat your pan. A little olive oil goes in. And then the bok choy. Onions. We'll let that saute a little bit and then put the peppers in. They don't take quite as long. Okay, I added about half a stick of butter. Now I'm going to cover it and let it sit for a while. When it starts to crust on the bottom, add the sausage. Cover it and cook it some more. It's beginning to crust up, so you can throw the peppers in. Throw the peppers in and cook it with the top off for a while. It's beginning to look and smell really good. And I have been corrected. We are not crusting the potatoes, we are browning the potatoes. The browning's coming along. Keep it stirred up so that it cooks evenly. You can taste it about now to see if you need to add anything. I had put in very light salt and pepper because I knew the sausage was going to add some flavor. Here it is. It could be a little browner, but he was getting hungry. And it's edible now.